Hi, we're IDS Interactive Display Solutions. We're here at this Embedded World North America showing our display technology, panel PC, and e-paper.
So what do you show here? This is how a display is made with the whole system?
Yeah, this is how a total solution of display made. You can consider this as a panel PC. We just break them down into layer. We just break
What
it down
is on
into
the last layer here?
Last layer is just the computer board.
You make the PCB?
Oh, no. This is, we work with a computer company from Taiwan. And then we bundle it with the custom frame and then display and then different layers that goes on top for different environment.
So here it says your display ideas. You do industrial, military, medical, avionics.
Yes.
Let's see some of your displays here.
Okay, sure.
So should we check out some of those here?
Well, maybe.
Let's start here.
Let's start here.
Yeah. So what do we see?
Oh, so the top shelf is basically just display panels from very tiny, small 0.96 inch of display that goes on the watch, okay? All the way up to large ones. Here we're showing a 7-inch as our largest. However, we can actually do up to 32 inches big, all right? And down here are our panel PCs, which is a package solution of what I showed you earlier for the panel, the total solution. We have pretty much display, touch, and the whole housing, computer board that goes inside. Okay.
So this is 50.6 inch,
yeah,
full HD?
15.6 inch. Yeah, think of the idea like take the panels that you see here and package them into a panel PC solution.
Like 21.5?
Yes, this is 21.5. This is our biggest panel PC we offer.
All right. Where's your company based?
In Irvine, California.
And do you partner with the panel suppliers and everything?
We partner with a lot of panel suppliers, and we also partner with a lot of PC suppliers. We're basically a system integrator, solution integrator. Yeah.
And here's some
And over here you can see the e-paper solution. On top is the latest and greatest Spectra 6 color e-paper. From far away you can see them. They look like printed posters, but they are actually e-paper panels. See, this one right here is changing the content. So it's very colorful, like a real picture. Right
nice,
here.
full color.
Yeah, it's full color.
And this is for the room.
Yeah, these are the signages, e-paper signages.
Smart signage.
Yeah, smart signage. We have this one right here is 3-color, the tricolor type. Okay, black, white, and red.
Very good contrast on those, right?
Yes.
Very vibrant.
Yeah, and over here you see more colors. Okay, these ones they are NFC type of e-paper.
Do you have customers actually deploy this in the company?
We're trying. We're pushing this technology.
For the conference would be cool.
Yeah. So there's actually no battery in this unit. It takes
just the RFID.
Yeah, it takes the NFC powers it. You know, when you tap it to your phone, it gets the signal and gets the power, and it changes the content on these e-paper displays.
Nice. I like these phone cases.
Yeah, and these are the cases for our phones.
Customizable. You also do these readers?
Yeah. Those are like just basic Kindle type.
All right.
E-paper
with the writing and everything? All right.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Cool.
Don't get fooled by fake HDMI products. Only source authentic HDMI products from licensed HDMI adopters and authorized manufacturers and
resellers to ensure compliance. Counterfeit or unlicensed products can cause poor performance.
Certified HDMI products undergo official testing for safety and spec compliance. Avoid brand damage, warranty issues, and customer dissatisfaction from unlicensed products.
Long-term cost savings come from reliable, genuine HDMI solutions.
Unlicensed products may lack support and pose safety risks.
Use certified HDMI cables with official HDMI certification labels.
Report suspected counterfeit products at hdmi.org/resource/infringe.
Thanks to our global partners for helping keep the HDMI brand real and ensuring consumers get the experience they deserve.